Welcome back to Instabills. Everyone, to the market very choppy today, continuing on down. BBIG responding to the upside. I'm going to go over exactly how BBIG broke out today, what exactly we're looking for to have a continuation with BBIG, which levels do we need to make sure we do hold above, and all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button. And I do welcome you to the Instabills room. If you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instabills.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert of the day again. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over BBIG with you guys on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys how this one broke out today. Then I'm going to go over the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly why this one broke out today and which exact strong levels we're trying to break above to make sure we continue on with this momentum. Now, before I get started, again, I do welcome you to the Instabills room. If you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart, again, we did mention them yesterday on our daily watch list. Sure enough, had a continuation up today. Very choppy, but sure enough, did have this continuation. As you guys can see, we started off with a spike this morning, and we were looking to see if we can continue. Had a major pullback as the market started to sell off and continue to sell off, pulled down every single stock with it. But as you guys can see, we were looking to see if we can respect this 50-day moving average. Sure enough, did bounce back over the 20 and then started to react against the market. The market continued to sell off, and then BBIG continued to go up, and we had this continuation because of the market continuing on down. And as you guys can see, we are looking to continue on with this momentum. Again, if the market does not continue to sell off tomorrow, in my opinion, then we could have a possible sell-off here. If the market does continue to sell off, then we will have BBIG still on the watch. So we are going to see if BBIG does continue on up. We're going to see if we can get that increase in momentum here. As you guys can see, we do have this increase in buy pressure. We did continue on up, even though we did have a decrease in buy pressure overall. We did have somewhat of an increase in buy pressure. Very risky on this momentum as we did not break above our previous momentum, but sure enough did continue on up. And as you guys can see, just as we had this choppy momentum, we sure enough did have an increase in sell pressure. Looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure, breaking above our momentum that we had today. Now, I'm going to go over the 4-hour chart so you guys can see why exactly we did have a breakout today. As you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we had a previous breakout and a previous bounce exactly at this point that we had today. As you guys can see here, exactly at 217, we had a major breakout all the way up to 1250 from 217. And we did also mention that in Instabills room previously on that major breakout. And as you guys can see, sure enough, we had a bounce exactly at that point at 217. Looking to see if we can continue now. And we do have a very strong point here at 399. I'm going to show you guys the VPBR. This is the volume profile, so you guys can see the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period. As you guys can see, a very key point here is at $4. And as you guys can see, our next strongest point here is at $5. So if we can get confirmation breaking above our previous buy pressure point at $4, then we will have a continuation up, in my opinion, and test $5. And if we do break past $5, then in my opinion, we have a gap up here to 661. You guys can see our next point that we have here on the VPBR with the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period is going to be our next resistance. Now, if we can continue on past 660, then in my opinion, we will have a gap up to 837. We will be looking for that confirmation on the MACD. Again, as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we have that increase in buy pressure today, but again, only on a bounce here. No news here. Definitely reacting against the market, and sure enough, did continue on up because of the market continuing to sell off. So going into tomorrow, holding $4 will be very key. As you guys can see, we have a previous gap down, and we are going to be looking to see if we can hold this strong level that we have here on our VPBR. Looking to see if we can hold over $4, and then $5, very strong resistance coming up. I definitely would be careful, making sure we do get confirmation on this continuation is going to be very key for us on the MACD. Now, I will be going over the market tomorrow with you guys. I did go over the market yesterday. The same levels apply, and we're looking for the same thing to happen, but I will be going over the market with you guys tomorrow to end the week. And again, with that said, I know the market has been very choppy. Most breakouts have been pre-market news into open. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Any halts worth looking at throughout the day, or any major breakout alerts worth looking at throughout the day, go to instabills.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instabills that have been supporting the channel, all of you Instabills that have been coming over from the room and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys every single day. God bless you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help with refine it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.